James Hunter is 64 years old and in prison for a sexual assault that happened in Jefferson County in 2002. 21 years later, he still maintains his innocence.
I think the conviction is seriously irregular because of the handling of the evidence.
Mark Burden is Hunter's attorney. He's filed a federal lawsuit on Hunter's behalf against several parties involved in the case, including Yvonne Missy Woods. She was the lead scientist in charge of analyzing DNA for the trial.
Well, I think that was the reason he was convicted. Because they're saying there was DNA evidence put in him at the crime scene.
Missy Woods, in Hunter's case, is now under investigation. Days before filing the lawsuit, Burden learned CBI found anomalies in her work.
It gave us more impetus and it validated our suspicions.
A court dismissed Hunter's case initially, the lawsuit says, after Woods incorrectly identified the victim's hairs as Hunter's. 10 months after the crime, new evidence of hair surfaced.
What led to a conviction was a hair follicle that was given to CBI somehow.
The lawsuit is demanding for all biological evidence to be handed over so it can be retested.
And my other question is how many other people are in prison based on irregular evidence?
Prosecutors still don't know how many, if any, of their cases could be impacted by this investigation into Woods. In a letter sent to district attorneys on November 6, CBI's director said they're compiling a list of cases she may have worked on. Burden believes this discovery only helps their fight in federal court.
I think it will give us added weight to our argument.
District attorneys are identifying how many cases Missy Woods may have worked on. 5 offices have gone back to us, and those prosecutors say Woods did some work on over 1,000 cases. A criminal investigation into Woods is still pending, and no charges have been filed.
I mean, you got to think a ton of defendants, a ton of attorneys just want the simple and very fair question of how do we know if the work she did on our case is legit, but we don't even know when those cases will be identified.
They say a team at CBI is still working to identify any potential anomalies in her work. As far as timeline, they can't give us a timeline at this time.
Kelly Rinke, thank you.